Power creative development. Future Linear Series 5-axis laser machine. The Future Linear Series revolutionarily pioneers laser machining in the super hard tools sector globally, introducing the groundbreaking concept that a single laser 5-axis machine can finish super hard tools in one go, overturning the European advocated wire-cutting rough machining plus laser finish machining technological approach. It allows for integrated rough and fine machining with a single tool setup. This equipment is capable of processing various grades of PCD, CBN, and single crystal diamonds, as well as accommodating most chipbreaker grooves and grinding head profiles on the market with good edge finish. The entire machining process is conducted vertically, significantly reducing precision deviations during machining movement due to varying weights. Contactless cutting significantly reduces material damage and enhances utilization, achieving virtually no loss machining. Before machining, simply import DXF files, then set the basic tool machining parameters. After the probe measurement, automatic machining can be initiated immediately. It also features an online pre-detection function, facilitating routine tool production. With grading closed-loop control, high-precision linear motors achieve efficient, precise 5-axis machining. The machine bed, cast from natural marble, enhances the stability of the equipment's precision. With proprietary intellectual property and a decade of continuous production experience, Power Creative Development's continually enhanced 5-axis laser machines are poised to revolutionize the future of super hard tool manufacturing.